Good morning, class. How are you all? I hope every one of you are good. Children, are you enjoying well? So, I think you all are very happy and very healthy at your home. Hannah, children, you all are taking care of yourself now? I hope so. So, children, in this tutorial of GK, we are going to do our lesson number 21. That is about the computer world. You all are very familiar with this chapter and I hope most of the answers you might know. So let us start our computer world. It is given at page number 27 and given in the form of puzzles. So let's solve out. Oops. Start with the error. What happens if our computer or our mobile gives error? You all know that our mobile is a mini computer. You all might have studied in your computer classes. So children, what will you do if your laptop contains error? Sometimes some sort of malfunctioning, you are stuck, keeps on pressing the keys but no response of your answer. What happens then? It means there is some sort of malfunctioning. Okay, this refers to some malfunctioning. And can you see the other picture? What is given here? I think keyboard, desktop, monitor is there. And printer is also there, memory card is there, speakers, mouse, keyboard, so many things are there. It means, children, what are these devices? What can we call them? I think these we can touch all these devices. Yes, you guessed right, all of you. The devices of the computer that we can touch, we call them as hardware devices. All of you are absolutely correct. I means to hardware devices. So children, here's your puzzle. First question that you have to solve down. Any mistake or malfunctioning of the computer, we call it as bug. What do we call it as? Bug. Okay, and this is your second question, children. Physical equipments such as mechanical, magnetic, electronic or electrical devices. Any devices of the computer that we can touch. What do we call them? Of course, we all call them as hardware. Okay, so in this manner you have to fill hardware. Right? Moving upon to the next. So, all these input devices here in front of you. Yes, most commons, keyboard and mouse. MICR. Remember MICR? Yes, you sometimes have seen it. Okay, then next is webcam. Obviously, these days we are using it very much. Webcam means a camera that is used with laptops. You guys use for your online classes also, isn't it? Yes. Joystick. What is the use of joystick? It is used for playing games. Yeah, joystick must be known to everyone, So these are the all input devices. These are used to give instructions to the computer, right? Equipments that is used to provide data and control signals to an information processing system. Means you are providing data. You are providing instructions by using these devices. Okay. Next, can you see the other one? Yes. Can you see the other one? In this picture, I think you can see so many things like Word, Excel. You might be doing Word in your classes. Yes, I remember you might be doing Word in the classes of computer. Then there is a sign of Google, Apple, Windows, Linux, Java. What is this? I think these all are the devices that we can't touch, isn't it? So these are the software devices, है ना? They send information directly to the computer for immediate processing and result. Okay, directly we take instructions from it and gives to the computer. So let's move to the third one. What is the third one? The actual data which must be put into a computer to accomplish some task. Anji, what do we call this data that we can put in the computer? We call this data as input computer. Is it okay? Next, we have seen so many equipments, okay, that sends information directly to the computer. These are the online equipments like we are doing these days. है ना? Often your teacher sends you to send some information, you will send by online method, है ना? You make PDF of your notebooks, isn't it? And send online, and your teacher checks it online and return it to you, isn't it? This is the way we are using any equipment or process that sends computer for immediate processing and results. Okay, children, can you see this next binary digit or bit? In the computer you might have studied this, है ना? We have studied 0 or 1. It means, what is this? This is an, I think, language of computer. This is the only language that computer understands. Computer understands only 2 digits, either 0 or 1s. Or you can say either false or true, or either switch on the light or switch off the light. Computer understands this. Whatever instructions you give, it will convert it into bits. Okay, so what is bit? Yes, it is the smallest unit of information of a computer. Okay, it is often used to store information that has value either the true or to the false, either yes or to no. Okay, computer understands only 2 words. And in the next one, can you see the other picture? There is some language written over here, है ना? Some words. This is basically a language like Python, C++, Java, C hash, Ruby. These are the languages, children. In these languages, we can make softwares like your gaming software. है ना? You used to play games that are to be made in these languages. Like work you are doing, like I am using PowerPoint, you guys are using Word, है ना? All these things, it is to be made in a languages, so we call them as computer languages. Okay, these languages have a special set of instructions that we use. Okay, so what is this? These are the programming languages. Okay, right? So children, here is a question for you. This is question number 5. Okay, given at the beginning. The digit 0 or 1 refers to as, हम उनको क्या बोलते हैं? What do we call these digits, 0 or 1, in computer language? We call them as binary digit. Okay, what do we call them? Binary digit. Moving upon to the next question. A sequence of instructions written in a computer language. What we can call them? What are the different instructions that we can write in computer language called? Yes, we call them as program. Okay, it is a part of a programming language. Next, children, here is another thing, that is the drives. Can you see this? Hard drive, CD, floppy disk, digital disk, smart media, tape media, memory card, है ना? Pen drive or desktop or laptops, the memories. So what is this? Isn't it? Don't you feel it is a kind of thing that can store your data? For example, CD. we play music and videos in the CD, है ना? In this similar manner, bete, floppy disk is used earlier to store the data. So these all devices, they are used to store data or program. Okay, ji? And the other one, these are the producers that are concerned with the operation of data processing. So moving upon to the next, can you tell me the physical devices that is used to store programs or data? Yes, it is called as memory. Okay, memory card, memory chips. We used to call these words memory cards. So what is memory card? Memory card is the one that is used to store data. Clear? Moving upon to the next. It is a set of computer programs or producers concerned with the operation of data processing that are related to the data processing. We call them as software. Okay. So children, that's all for now. I hope it's clear to you and you will complete your chapter. Till then,